Ready to have your mind blown? Today, we're diving into the top 7 science experiments that are so cool, they look like magic. But trust me, it's all pure science. First up, the elephant toothpaste reaction. By mixing hydrogen peroxide, yeast, and soap, you get an insane foamy eruption that looks like toothpaste fit for an elephant. It's a classic for a reason. It's big, messy, and absolutely awesome. Next, number 6, the non-Newtonian fluid. Just mix cornstarch and water, and you get a liquid that acts like a solid when you apply pressure. You can punch it, run on it, and it won't splash. But stop moving, and you'll sink right in. So weird, right? Coming in at number 4 is the screaming gummy bear disclaimer. Please don't try this at home without proper safety gear and adult supervision. When you drop a gummy bear into molten potassium chlorate, it bursts into a bright purple flame and lets out a scream. It's a powerful demonstration of how much energy is stored in sugar. We're in the top 3. At number 3, it's ferrofluid. This is a liquid filled with tiny magnetic particles. When you bring a magnet near it, the liquid forms incredible, spiky sculptures that seem to come alive, moving and changing shape with the magnetic field. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie. Runner-up at number 2 is creating a cloud in a bottle. All you need is a bottle, some warm water, and a match. By creating pressure changes, you can make a miniature cloud form and then disappear right before your eyes. It's a simple way to see how weather works right in your hand. And now for the number 1 most mind-blowing science experiment, the double slit experiment. This one is a real head-scratcher from the world of quantum physics. When you shoot particles like electrons through 2 slits, they act like waves, creating an interference pattern. But here's the crazy part. If you try to watch which slit they go through, they stop acting like waves and behave like particles. It's like they know they're being observed. It's a fundamental mystery of reality that still fascinates scientists today. And that's our list. Which one of these blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing science.